Okay, so this is basically a 10-foot high by 20-foot wide video wall. And so how this is going to stand off from the wall is that there are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 aluminum pieces coming out. So you can see at the top here, there's a space there. There's a lot of room to actually be able to put the electrical here without impeding on this first aluminum tubing vertical that's going to be in place. So what exactly is the math? Well, if you start from top left here, where you're planning on putting the first 4 of the 11 plugins, basically what happens is 1, 2, 3 of these panels all come together to be, they're daisy chained to be one plugin. So that's where the first, second, third, fourth 15 amp requirement comes from. So if you measure over from here, the amount of it's 242 inches wide in total, divided by 8 panels. Each panel is 30.25, so times 3. So if you go over, about 91 inches over here, you can drop the second 4, and then if you go over another 91 inches, you can drop the third drop, which is 3. So 4, 4, 3. Thanks for your time.